I thought it was my fault.
No, I think it's my fault.
Okay.
There were two sisters came walking down the stream, oh, the wind and rain. The one behind pushed the other one in, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Johnny gave the youngest a gay gold ring, oh, the wind and rain. Didn't give the oldest one anything, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. They pushed her into the river to drown, oh, the wind and rain. And watched her as she floated down, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Floated till she came to a miller's pond, oh, the wind and rain. Mama, old father asked him to swan, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. The miller pushed her out with a fishing hook, oh, the wind and rain. And threw that fair maid from the brook, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. He left her on the banks to dry, crying, oh, the wind and rain. And a fiddling fool come passing by, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Out of the woods came a fiddler fair, oh, the wind and rain. Took 30 strands of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made a fiddle bow of her long yellow hair, oh, the wind and rain. He made a fiddle bow of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. He made fiddle pegs of her long finger bones, oh, the wind and rain. He made fiddle pegs of her long finger bones, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made a little fiddle of her breastbone, oh, the wind and rain. Whose sound could melt the heart of